There's Tower 2.
Sorry, man.
That's right. There's the transit hub in Tower 3. Here it is. Looks like the base is completely filled in. The base is filled and the lobby glass is filled. This is the new World Trade Center. Tower 4. And the transit hub. Cigarette. Transit hub and Tower 3. And Tower 4. So yeah, the lobby is just about filled. Here it is again, One World Trade Center. Freedom Tower. Crosswalk is now reopened and the bridge is gone. Here's Tower 4, just the corner of it. This is North End Avenue. Here again is the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. So in terms of the progress, I am seeing that the transportation hub has made a lot of progress. One World Trade Center is making a lot of internal progress. That and the construction elevator is now being dismantled. Most of the work is being done internally on towers 1 and 4. Here it is again, One World Trade Center. The Freedom Tower, whichever one you'd like to call it. Alright everybody, I am back at the Hudson River. So again, just a quick summary of the progress here. From what I could see, most of the work is being done internally for One World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center, with the exception of the construction elevators now being dismantled. Very soon the glass will be filled in and the tower will be externally complete from the east side. Alright everybody, well I still have some battery power left, so I'm going to head over to Brooklyn Bridge Park and take a look from there, since it's been a full 2 months since my last update. Let's take a look, see how everything is looking from there. Let's start walking. Alright, I'm on the Manhattan Bridge right now. I'm at the beginning of the bridge. Here's 1 and 4 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and Tower 4. True amazing marvels. Again, you can see the construction elevators are being dismantled. And the tower's just looking better and better. It's Tower 4 World Trade Center.